Well, hey, I'm John Hassel, the lake guy here at Cedar Creek Lake with Ebby, Halliday, Realtors, and today, man, I got something everybody's looking for, a waterfront lot. Yeah, it was just listed by Debbie French out of our office, a waterfront lot in a subdivision called Thunderbird Shores. Now, it's a mixed-use subdivision, but it's very small, very quaint, and there have been quite a few new builds in here. Now, this waterfront lot's got a little over 50 feet of waterfront. It's been cleared, has sewer, has water, has electricity. It's just ready for you to build. I'm telling you what, this is on a really big cove right here in Gun Barrel City, so you're close to everything. Quiet, quaint, and nice. Let's go take a look at it, okay? Now, here's the drive up to this lot. It is fenced, by the way. Now, there's your neighbor over to the left. And here's your neighbor over to the right. Now, there are two brand new homes that were just built in here in the last year. So pretty nice. Go down the street, across the street, beautiful trees. But look at this, great trees in here. Might not have to remove any of these to build, but it's a pretty deep lot. It's got a little over 50 feet of waterfront, faces west. Yeah, pretty nice. Look at those trees. Oh man, those things would be absolutely gorgeous when they bud out. Pretty flat, level lot. Got a little drainage going down towards the water, so it has a bit of a gentle slope. But like I said, there's your neighbors to your right or to the north of you, and there's one to the south of you. So let's go down and take a look at the waterfront. Now we're down here at the waterfront. You will need a retaining wall. There's a fence right here, which can be removed. Get you a little bit closer. Here's your cove. All the way down towards the road, towards 334, across the way. Sun setting in the afternoon. First day we haven't had horrible winds and mild, let's call them mild temperatures. Right before spring break, perfect time to get down here and take a look. We'll need a boathouse, but the good news is you can build the boathouse right in the middle of this lot and have plenty of room on either side of your boathouse for swimming and all other activities. That's pretty cool, very important. This cove goes right out, and it's a big bay. I shouldn't say a cove, big bay. This goes out to the main body of the lake. Now here are your neighbors. I'm going back up towards the lot. Look at that. I mean, this thing is gorgeous. Just beautiful, beautiful trees. Got a building area right in the middle. Man, you can build you some beautiful home in here. Yeah, this is pretty special. Don't let this one get away. Come take a look at it. Now, you have Debbie's information from the sign in the very beginning, but her information will be down below. My information will be down below. If you're looking for a waterfront lot, they're almost impossible to find, especially in this price range. Great area, close to everything, great activities. Can't find what you want because there is virtually no inventory of homes down here. Build it. Man, what a wonderful place to do so. Need to get more information about this property or any other property here around the lake? Give me a call. Talk to y'all later. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Y'all have a great holiday. Bye-bye.